The world of cyber threats is constantly evolving, with new and more sophisticated malware emerging regularly. Cybersecurity experts are in a constant race against these threats, trying to stay one step ahead. One such threat that has caught the attention of security researchers is TrickMo, a dangerous banking Trojan targeting Android devices. This malware is particularly insidious due to its ability to remain undetected for long periods. First detected in 2023, TrickMo quickly gained notoriety for its advanced evasion techniques and its ability to exploit accessibility services for malicious purposes. Its rapid spread and sophisticated methods have made it a top priority for cybersecurity teams worldwide. TrickMo is not just another banking Trojan, it represents a significant leap in the evolution of mobile malware. Its design is a testament to the increasing complexity and danger of modern cyber threats. Unlike earlier variants that relied on rudimentary techniques, TrickMo employs a multi-layered approach to infiltrate devices, steal sensitive information, and ultimately drain victims' bank accounts. This multifaceted strategy makes it particularly challenging to detect and neutralize. Its origins can be traced back to the shadowy corners of the cybercrime underworld, where developers constantly refine their tactics to stay ahead of security measures. These cybercriminals are always innovating, making each new threat more dangerous than the last. The emergence of TrickMo highlights the growing threat to mobile banking security. It underscores the need for both users and financial institutions to be more vigilant and proactive in their security practices. As more individuals rely on their smartphones for financial transactions, cybercriminals are increasingly targeting this lucrative attack surface. The convenience of mobile banking comes with significant risks that users must be aware of. The evolving capabilities of TrickMo serve as a stark reminder of the constant need for vigilance and proactive security measures in the mobile banking ecosystem. Staying informed and adopting robust security practices can help mitigate these threats and protect sensitive financial information. TrickMo's effectiveness stems in large part from its sophisticated evasion techniques, which are meticulously designed to outsmart even the most advanced security systems. These techniques are crafted to bypass traditional security measures, allowing the malware to operate undetected on a victim's device, often for extended periods. One of the key methods employed by TrickMo is the use of malformed zip files, which are intentionally corrupted to exploit specific vulnerabilities. These files are crafted in a way that exploits vulnerabilities in how Android devices handle zip archives, making them particularly effective against mobile devices. When a user downloads and attempts to open a malformed zip file, it triggers an error that prevents the file from being scanned by the device's security software, effectively bypassing the initial security checks. This allows TrickMo to slip past the first line of defense and establish a foothold on the device, often without the user realizing anything is amiss. In addition to malformed zip files, TrickMo also leverages a technique known as JSON Packer, which is a sophisticated method of obfuscating malicious code. JSON Packer is a method of obfuscating malicious code within seemingly innocuous JSON data, making it appear harmless to security software. This makes it difficult for security software to detect the malicious code, as it is effectively hidden within a legitimate data format, blending in with normal data traffic. By employing these evasion techniques, TrickMo can successfully infiltrate devices and remain undetected, even on devices with updated security software, posing a significant threat to users. The combination of these advanced techniques makes TrickMo a formidable adversary in the cybersecurity landscape, constantly evolving to stay one step ahead of security measures. The initial infection vector for TrickMo often involves a dropper app, which is a type of malicious software designed to install other malware onto a device. These apps are designed to appear as legitimate applications, often mimicking popular apps like Google Chrome, making it difficult for users to distinguish between the real and the fake. The dropper app serves as a disguise, tricking users into downloading and installing what they believe to be a harmless application. This deception is key to the malware's success. Once installed, the dropper app acts as a delivery mechanism for the actual TrickMo payload, which is the main malicious software intended to cause harm. It downloads the malicious code in the background, often using encrypted communication channels to avoid detection by security software and monitoring tools. The use of a dropper app is a common tactic among malware distributors, as it allows them to bypass App Store security checks and reach a wider audience. This method is particularly effective in spreading malware quickly, By mimicking a trusted and widely used application like Google Chrome, the Dropper app effectively lowers the user's guard, making them more likely to grant it the necessary permissions to install the TrickMo payload. These permissions can include access to sensitive data and system functions. This deceptive approach highlights the importance of carefully scrutinizing app permissions and downloading apps only from trusted sources. Users should always read reviews and verify the authenticity of an app before installation to protect themselves from such threats. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. And let me know in the comments below.